Splash shield repair on a Honda Fit. You're going to need a pair of portable ramps. Make sure to put your emergency brake on. As I was driving, I heard this loud noise underneath my car. At first, I thought it was the brakes, but when I looked under, I noticed the splash shield was hanging and all the rivets snapped off. I think I went over a bump or something and it knocked it off.
All right.
There's some damage there. There's 2 screws at the top. First you want to unscrew. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. This piece popped off too, right behind the wheel well. I got all the parts at AutoZone, the fastener section. They're listed with the make of your car, so I looked for Honda. And I picked up a few boxes that look like they would fit. I used the 2nd and 4th box. The other 2 I returned. The multi-location screw type. This piece fit into the wheel well section. So I pushed it in and then I screwed it in. The clip nut, these pieces slide on top of the plastic part. And then you screw the screw right into the hole. All right, right here I slowed it down so that you could see the old piece. I'm just going to keep that piece and screw in this screw. There's the other clamp. There's 2 holes up here where the arrow's pointing at. Those I couldn't find a piece to fit in, so I used mounting cable ties. Alright, so you want to put the end into this rectangle here, not the circle, the bottom. Right in there. Then you pull it and tighten it. I got it. Where's the scissors? Okay. Okay, next one. Ready? That's it. This was really easy. The hard part was finding the pieces, the rivets that all fit into the splash shield. If you like what you saw and you want to watch more videos, subscribe.